welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Facebook and how to change to the dark mode. This is a super quick tutorial, so if you do find it useful, please do click on the like button, and with that said, let's jump on over to the desktop. Okay, so here I am just within the That Office Guy Facebook page, and what we want to do is show you the quickest and most effective way of switching from the light theme to the dark theme. What we want to do is actually just navigate to the settings section here, and then you'll notice the dark theme. And the same thing applies for the iOS or Android apps. You just go into settings and you can find the dark mode there. So I'm just going to toggle this on and then collapse my settings, and there we go. I now have Facebook toggled to dark mode. This is a super useful feature if you find yourself on Facebook at various different times during the day. So if you're working or using Facebook during the day, the light theme is the obvious choice, and in the evenings or early mornings you may prefer to actually toggle that over to the dark theme. With that being said, some people just generally prefer the dark theme anyway, and they just have that enabled all the time. If you found this video useful, please do click on the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.